Hello everyone, welcome to SUNY. We are located in the Miami on Index 26. If you're nearby, and welcome to visit us and see you in person. Okay, later we will show you around about the whole exhibition. Hello. Morning, sir.
Morning.
Wet wipes machine. Wet wipes machine, flushable toilet machine. Both machinery and OEM service available. Interested? We can talk more.
No, I'm not interested. Thank you for that.
Okay. How about your business? Your business. Your business.
Oh, well, our business is manufacturing hook and loop, buckles, snapping buttons, some manufacturing business.
Okay, a little difference.
Yeah.
Next day. Yeah.
播这了是吧？
诶，有人
哎，
看不开，
看不出来是谁是吧？
老两点。
也没有那个他说话也看不到吗？
没有。
就是屏幕弹幕啊啥的。
应
该有啊。
等会儿我给这个。